this is Barefoot Beach. Some of the shells that you'll be able to find here. Go ahead and pause that if you want to take a look. Again, this is Barefoot Beach in Naples, Florida, right on the border with Bonita Springs. And this is Bonita Springs over here. That's Bonita Beach. I'll show you a view from over there in a little bit. It's going to be 84 degrees here today in Southwest Florida. And again, to your right, you've got Bonita Beach. Leading all the way down to Fort Myers Beach. And in this direction is Barefoot Beach in Naples. And that's Naples, Florida down there. It's definitely warming up. And remember, folks, give me a follow on Rumble as well, My Walks in Paradise. One word, lowercase. That's where my 4K content is. Nice Boston. It's starting to cloud up a little bit, which is good for me. And these people that don't realize they're getting burnt. Again, this is Barefoot Beach, right on the border of Bonita Springs and Naples, Florida. Southwest Florida. You can check out some of my videos here on TikTok and on Rumble. Rumble is like YouTube. That's where you'll find my 4K content, my full versions of the videos you might see on TikTok. Up there you've got Millionaire's Row. A lot of these beautiful vacation homes, if you can believe that or not. A lot of them are vacation homes, so wouldn't know what that felt like, but I like enjoying the view. Again, down there is Naples, Florida. Way down there is Marco Island. It's another beautiful day here in paradise. That way is going to be Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel Island. And again, it's going to be 84 degrees here.
Yeah. My daughter and son-in-law.
It's another beautiful day down here in Southwest Florida. Remember to follow me here on TikTok as well on Rumble. If you can give me a like in the video, that's great. And if you can watch it till the end, that helps with the algorithms here. And also watch out for me live on TikTok. Maybe eventually I'll stream on Rumble too, but it's easier on TikTok. Welcome to Bonita Beach here in Southwest Florida. Today's high will be 84 degrees. This is my walks in paradise. You can also catch me on rumble.com or downloading Rumble. That's where you'll find my 4K content. Remember to watch the videos all the way through if you don't mind. It helps with the algorithm, and give me a like if you enjoy the content. You can also catch me live now on TikTok. Well, we're just wrapping up the walk today. We just got done with the live stream too. And again, this is Bonita Beach. That way is Fort Myers Beach. And down in this direction, you're gonna have Barefoot Beach and Naples, Florida.
The other morning, I was taking my last shot of coffee.
And then that way down there, that's Naples, Florida. So that's Barefoot Beach there. Again, this is my walks in paradise. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for everybody that was on the live. Remember to watch my videos till the end and give them a like. It helps me quite a bit. I'm also on TikTok and Rumble. Check me out there. Again, you guys, have a great day, y'all. Take care.